In this video, we'll discuss about how to clean any folder using Microsoft Power Automate desktop version. Whenever we are working with any automation flow, normally sometimes we need to clear the folder. These folders contain some informations and over there we have to add some other details. So in that case, we'll use Microsoft Power Automate desktop to clean this folder. So here I'm creating Power Automate folder. I will place these images of my previous video, and then by using automations, I will clean this folder data. And after running this code or after running the process, we don't have any data available in this folder. So if you want to learn RPA and Power Automate, please feel free to access relevant video from the playlist. Now, coming down to the automation flow here, for cleaning the folder, we have to just search for folder, empty folder, specify the folder path wherever it's present. So this time I've created Power Automate, click OK and save it. Once I will run this flow, that folder data will be deleted permanently. So we don't have any images or any information within this folder. So this is how very quickly we can delete or clean the folder without any issues. Now there's one more cleaning activity we can also perform on system level where we can clean recycle bin data. So in that case, I will just write empty recycle bin, and this process will clean my complete recycle bin. So here you can see in my recycle bin, I'm having multiple files. Now, whenever I will run this flow again, my recycle bin will be cleaned successfully. So you can see now in my recycle bin, I don't have any data. This is very quick enough where we can clean or recycle bin or any specific folder which we are targeting to clean it. So, and by using one activity without writing any single line of code, we can perform this actions. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.